my name is Gene Franco, the DVD video editor, and today, why am I standing in this store? Well, I'm going to show you my actual movie set that I will be making. So, can you guys tell me what is this? I'm about to open it in 3, 2, 1. Look at all of my sets. And of course I have my Dog Man. And I got Dogman 20,000 fleas under the sea. Cause I don't know. Oh no. Oh no. Cause I don't. Okay, a minute. Okay. I will get the Dogman, the musical from Broadway Records and the recorder player soon. Oh, and also guys, before I end this video, I really want to get out my Dogman poster, and here it is. It'll be coming out on May 30, 2024, which is this year. So bye, and God bless you.